Around 11 o'clock one night, a stealth security operator witnessed someone walking around a construction site. Our operator activated the on-site speaker warning, which the suspect ignored. The monitoring operator then contacted local police to report the activity and give them all relevant information about the intruder. Our cameras continued to follow the suspect as he made his way around the site. Officers arrived within minutes and located him inside one of the units that was under construction. They placed the individual in handcuffs. They learned during their investigation the suspect was a convicted felon. The officers took him into custody as they exited the site.